Welcome to this video. Why one should learn NLP. I am Zafar Gakhar, certified coach, hypnotist and trainer. Today in this video we will discuss 6 reasons for learning NLP. NLP is all about how we communicate with ourselves and with the world around you. Number 1. By learning NLP, you can learn to control your own state of mind. You will be able to manage how you think, how you feel, and how you can change your thinking and feeling. You can develop powerfully persuasive communication skills. Here it means that if you learn NLP, you will become very effective communicator and your communication will be the best. You will be able to overcome obstacles in your business and in your personal life. You can help others to get the results they want. If you are a teacher, a manager, or a sales consultant, you should learn NLP. You will be able to have more of the experiences you want and you will have more success, happiness, joy and fulfillment in your life. Thank you so much. I hope you like this short video. Subscribe to my channel and comment. Thank you so much.